Hi guys, welcome back to another product unboxing, and this is the bedtime edition. Now in my hand you see I have this product here. It is a satin bonnet from the brand Protect the Grow, and everybody knows that I love my hair and everything to do with hair care. So of course I'm excited to look and see what this package is all about. Now on the back it says that it's a satin bonnet, a reversible satin bonnet, and you can see it displayed on the front also. Now speaking of which, I love the packaging that this company has chosen. You know, with satin bonnets sometimes you get them in a little plastic bag or a little bag, you know, because their companies are trying to keep it on the cheaper side of things. But already I'm liking the product presentation. So I'm about to open this product now because you know I'm excited to see what is going on up in here. So let's get into it. Ready? Let's go. Yeah, this is it. Oh, and I got a little thank you card. It says thank you for supporting my small business. Very cute. It's all pink. All right. And this is the product. It says Protect the Grow, and there is a very lovely logo on the back, you know, some queen energy going on right there, and it's pink, which I love. It feels good. You can tell that it is double-sided. It actually feels like a different quality of silk, almost like charmeuse, but as you can see it is double-sided, so it's reversible. So on the other side it is pink, bright pink, which I'm not mad at, and on the reverse side, which is the main side, it has the logo Protect the Grow with the black. Now how does it fit? That's the question. So here we go. Oh wow, it even matches my PJs. I was not expecting this. Okay, so guys, I'm wearing braids, so I'm just tucking the hair in. Now this is the brand Protect the Grow. It doesn't feel like something that will slip off my hair in the night, thank God, because boy, I am a wild sleeper. Okay, let's just say that. All right, this is kind of cute. This is kind of cute. I like it. It's cute, and it's doing a great job of holding in my braids. So yeah guys, so this is the product unboxing. I'm loving it. It's very light silk. It's not a heavy kind of silk, and like I said, it almost feels like charmeuse, which is a very expensive type of silk. And you know, you have your little bonnet peekaboo action going on right here to prevent anything from, you know, coming out. Protects the forehead, protects you from acne, because well, for me, I don't know about y'all, but for me, when the oils from my hair go onto the pillow, it gives me acne. So after I've done my skincare and so on, the last thing I need is what's in my hair and my hair products messing up my face, because child, it's rough in the streets. But this product is giving. It's very cute. I don't mind that I look like a little grandma. I look like a cute grandma. Y'all leave me alone, right? This is cute. I love it. I could see this product being worn for like a bridal spa party or Friday night hanging out with the girls, you know, you're just kicking it in your PJs and your bonnets, and you're just gossiping with a glass of wine. I love it. I'm living for it. So yeah, this cute, and it feels light. I like it. I like it, and I like the fact that it's reversible, because you know, you don't want to be wearing the same style over and over, you know, flip it, you know. Admittedly, I match my PJs with my bonnets, okay? I'm that extra girl, all right? I'm that girl. So yeah, this not bad, but the main thing is that it doesn't feel too tight, and it doesn't feel like my hair is going to fall out of it in the night. It's kind of gripping the hair. I don't know how to explain it, but it's like gripping around the sides of my hair. So it's doing the job. It's cute. I like it. With a product like this, I feel like, yeah, you have my hair needs in mind. So kudos. So thank you for coming to my unboxing, because this is my bedtime edition, and right now I'm going to wear my brand new bonnet and I'm gonna go to bed. Okay, so until next time, ciao.